Hey guys, this is a video that I had absolutely no intention of making, but I got out here today and I thought, well, maybe somebody might get something out of this, so I'll drag the camera out here and shoot a quick video. It is Friday, March the 5th, about 12:30. Another beautiful day. Yesterday was just absolutely gorgeous. Blue sky, not a cloud in the sky. We've got a few light clouds today, but don't think we're going to get any rain or anything, so good day to be outside. Now, the reason I decided to make this video is I've had several people email me and say, hey Dave, what's up? Are you doing okay? You haven't put a video out in a couple of months. And of course, some of you may know I started doing that tiny camper build, and I'm still doing that. However, it has kind of got pushed back to a little bit lower priority. Right after I got it and got all excited about working on it, we had a whole bunch of rain and stuff, and I really didn't have room because of the Gatton CNC orders. I couldn't really build that in the shop and have to work around it. I mean, there's just not enough room. So I kind of put that out, but I did get a new axle, a little heavier duty axle, and of course the tires and rims. I think y'all saw those in the last video, so if you want to still follow along for that, you'll see some of that. But I thought I would shoot another quick video and just show you what I'm up to, because I've had several people text message me, email me and say, hey Dave, you know, what's going on? We haven't heard from you. What's up? So that's what this video is all about. Come on down here. Okay guys, so this is what I've been up to. And I know you're looking around going, well, that's not much, Dave. You're just playing in the dirt here. And that's partially true, but anybody that may have been to my house, and not many folks have, but if you've been here before, you know that I have a deck that comes out from my house about 14, 16 feet, something like that. It starts about 10 feet to my left here, and it runs all the way to the other end of my house. And then what I had is I had a lower deck where you step down about 1.5 feet, and it would go all the way to this end of the house, so another 25 feet or so. All total I had, I think, about 728 feet of square feet of deck, and it ended up just being a perfect landing spot for all the leaves that fall out of the trees. So I also had right about here where I'm sitting is I had a platform built, and I had a hot tub sitting on that platform, and then I built the deck around it. So it was really nice, but I haven't really used that hot tub in about, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, something like that. And this whole deal started a few weeks ago when I got this crazy hankering for a fresh tomato sandwich, you know, where you just take the mayonnaise and the bread and a fresh slice of tomato. And I really got to thinking, man, I would like to be able to grow some vegetables here. And I've had a couple of, I tried my hand doing a couple of raised garden beds up there. They didn't do that great, and so I only did it for like that 1 year, didn't get a whole lot out of it. Got a little bit, but not much. But I thought to myself, well, you know, Dave, if you're not going to use that hot tub, you need to get rid of it. You need to take this deck down, and this is the perfect spot, at least in my property, for a small garden. This is going to be probably about 24, 25 feet by maybe going that way 20 to 24 feet. I'm not sure just how far I'll go that way. As you can see, I'm in the sun right now. The sun is like right there, but it is technically behind the tops of those trees. So once the leaves come out on the trees, it would be behind the trees, and this would be shade. But course the sun will be much higher. So this is the perfect spot. It's going to get sun pretty much all day. So that's what I decided to do. And fortunately, when I built the deck, I used all deck screws. Pretty much, I had a few nails here and there, but pretty much all deck screws. So it was simply a matter of going up, just reverse operation of how I built it. Take it down. So I've got all the lumber, because it's all good pressure treated stuff. Most of it's pressure treated. So it's all stacked over there on blocks, using stickers in between it to get the airflow to keep it in good shape. And I'll be using that for various other little projects around the property here. The other thing I thought I would show is because when I got this out, I thought, well, you know what, I might want to talk about this a little bit in a video, because there may be some folks out there like me that want to try to do a small garden area, and you need something to till it up, at least especially when you first get started. You can see there's a lot of rocks, there's a lot of roots and stuff in here, but this is the first pass I've gone over this. I got this little Sunjoe. I saw it online and went and watched a ton of YouTube videos, just like I always do, to get reviews to see if it's good or bad. And there was really a lot of positive reviews about this. This is, of course, it's electric. You can see the cord. I've got the 110 outlet right behind me here, and works out perfect because I can reach pretty much everywhere I need to reach with this. It's got 13.8 amps, I think, so it's got plenty of power. I wasn't sure how it was going to do, but just the first pass where I haven't even raised the wheels up there, it's really chopping this stuff up. So I don't think it's gonna be any problem as far as power. But if anybody wants to check one of these out, I'll put a link down below in the video description. Like I said, I am pleasantly surprised that it is doing such a good job. And now that I look at it, I think I have maybe lowered those wheels. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that. But anyway, for those of you who ask, this is what I've been up to. Another thing I've done with some of the wood that I got from taking the deck apart is, most of you know, if you follow my videos, you know that I used to have chickens. I haven't had chickens in, I don't know, a year or two, I guess. Once the last one died off, I just, for some reason, never got any more. But I want to get some more chickens. I've inspected my little chicken run out there. It's in great shape. Of course, I built that. I don't think I did a YouTube video on it, but I've done videos where I show how I built it, I think. It's in good shape. The little cheap coop / nesting box that I bought from Tractor Supply back before I got the chickens, it has seen better days. So I'm just building a new coop. And yesterday I built just a box that I'm going to use as a breeding box. I'll be getting baby chicks here pretty soon. So if you like chickens, you can follow me for that and check that out. Or if you just want to follow along to see if old Dave's got a green thumb or not, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell and all, the drill. And we'll see what I got. I've got some metal fence post right over here just out of the shot that I got at Tractor Supply yesterday, and I have a bunch of old wire fence left over that I'm going to be setting up a trellis. So I'm going to be trying to use that for the tomatoes, cucumbers, some pole beans, and whatever else needs something to climb on. So got lots of big plans. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. But anyway, so and also, like I said, I'm still working on the mini camper too. So if you tuned in and go, oh, he's got another mini camper update, there's just nothing to update because we've had so much rain right after I started shooting videos about that I just haven't done much. But I'll get back on that once I get the garden in and everything, and there'll be more of that. So Whether you like gardening, chickens, mini campers, and of course there's some CNC stuff on there, I think, too. Yeah, you might check that out too. So anyway, that's what I'm up to, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.